How to move Steam games to another hard drive. The very first thing you want to do is to connect the destination drive to your computer. Where do you want to place the games from the original location? Use the correct way to connect the drive to your computer. Run the game transfer software. Choose App Migration and then click Start. Choose the games you want to change the location. On the left bar, choose the original drive where your game programs are installed. Locate the games and tick the checkboxes. Click the triangle icon to choose the target drive as the file path. After all the selection, click Transfer. Choose the destination location. Transfer the games to the destination drive. The software will work on moving the selected games from the original location to your customized location. Wait for the process to finish. Now the next thing you want to do is, in Steam, head over to your settings and then move into Downloads. Click on Steam Library Folders and then click on Add Library Folder. While adding a new library folder, you need to choose the other drive and create the folder on it. Name the folder, click OK, and then select to choose the folder you just created. Now you can close this window. To move an installed game to the newly created folder on the new drive, click Library. Right-click on the game and head to Properties. Select the Local Files tab and go to the Move Install Folder button. Here you need to select the Steam library you want to move the game to and click the Move Folder button. The whole process of pointing an existing game installation to the other location should be done. To move more games to new drive, repeat the full step one after another, and then you'll be good to go. So that's it, and this is simply how you can move Steam games to another hard drive. I really hope this video is going to be helpful for you. Thank you for staying with us till the end.